We have been running hard for 2 weeks straight now. We've got to change the fluid. I've got to fix the passenger side. I cracked a knuckle or something over there. Got to dump the fluid out. Change the fluid in the power steering. Got to fix the lower link. Oil cooler got to fix. I used the wrong line and it popped off and caught on fire. Obviously got to shine up the chassis. It's getting kind of rough. And put in the lower link, find out why the rear is leaking. Inner airlock in the rear, new caliper bracket I snapped. New side panel on the passenger side. Got a ton of stuff to do and not that much time. I do work full time, so I have to get to it. So, I really have to get my light back on this because you can't really see. You can see on this side, this bolt is threaded into the hub. So you have to loosen the lock nut, tighten it, and then tighten the lock nut back up. So I'm doing that right now, and then gonna put that back on, some new fluid, new filter, hook the hoses back up, and good to go. No, it ain't something I can't tap my boots to. You playing the guitar just too damn slow, like songs about heartache is all you know. I told him, no man, I can't figure it out. Won't you tell me the kind of song you want to hear about? They looked at me. So, got the cross member out, got the skid plate out, all the skid plates, the new cross member. Hopefully, I don't have my light on this, so hopefully you can see. Gotta tug it back into position, but that's the cross member right there. So that's in. Inside of 30 came fast, but what's more, I can't remember younger days like before. I've done more than most any age. All I'm playing on the side of a stage.
I wish I had a lift, but you can see that we did 2 cross members in the front, 2 gussets in the center, 2 to the rear, and yeah, so I just did the cross or the front support, bolted there, got a lot done. Had to put the belt back on, fill the tires up with water, put the bottom skid, this is the new skid. So everything's going well. We started yesterday at 12. Today I'm by myself, but big shout out to my friends that came over yesterday. Bernie, which is my spotter, his girlfriend Tiffany, my wife was here with emotional support, and my other buddy Adam Flint. So I'm gonna finish this up. Thanks.
Cost me $1.50.
So the ball joint eliminators are working great. The power steering or full hydraulic from Radial Dynamics held up great last week. Warren winch got us out of trouble. Rad Designs shifter did great. Their shifter for transfer case works great still. So everything Yukon axles, all rough stuff.
time. Walk away from you. Just to go out chasing dreams I knew wouldn't come true. After you took care of me for so long, and after all this time, you're still out here waiting me home.
I gotta give a shout out to Radio Dynamics, Innovative Machine Works, Rad Designs, Rough Stuff. Those guys really came through. It was nothing, their parts weren't failing, it was where I was in freak accidents like the rear Innovative Machine Works. My rear passenger wheel somehow hit a rock and it broke the caliper mount bracket. Well, he sent me another set out, greatly appreciate that. Rad Designs, thanks to them and their fire extinguisher mount, came off really quick. The problem was I lost pieces to it, so he sent me another fire extinguisher mount to keep us safe. Radio Dynamics, I'm just changing out the fluids and putting a new filter on for this comp season, so that's nothing major. Rough Stuff, if you saw the other video, I broke the lower cross member, so they sent out new brackets for the new cross member and a couple other gussets and miscellaneous stuff, so it wasn't really all that much, but you need these parts quick. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to get all the tubes cut for the new cross member and hopefully get some other stuff handled. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you can see when our next video is uploaded. See ya.